Hello guys, welcome to Peace Diaries. Today's video is all about unboxing. I am going to unbox the 2.4 liter Brita jug. But before I start, I have a story to tell because buying this jug was a whole journey. I was preparing to shoot this video and then I heard my doorbell rang and I'm like, am I expecting anything today? Today is 11th. Ooh, I ordered some items on Temu and they arrived too. They were like, okay, I might as well just unbox these items that just arrived. So, whilst I'm unboxing my Temu order, I'm going to gist you guys the story behind buying the Brita jug of 2.4 liters. Let's get right into unboxing Temu order I got. Whilst I gist you guys the story behind getting the Brita jug 2.4 liters. So we're checking Amazon to know the type of jug to get, because if you're in UK you will know that the water here is hard. We've been buying bottled water for more than 6 months. I was like, so it's not making sense again because it's not economical at all. It's not economical. We drink about 2 cartons of spring water every week. And 1 carton of the water is about 2 point something pounds. So we'll be spending in a week, we'll be spending about 5 pounds. Do the mathematics. In a month, we'll now be spending 5 times 4, 20 pounds a month for water. It's not sustainable. So we're at a crossroad. We decided to seek other people's opinion, those who have bought the jug. If you're in the UK, you know that drinking the tap water is something else. So my husband rang some of his friends and most of them said they bought the 8.5 liters. I said, okay. You know, sometimes when there is popular opinion, it becomes to look like the truth, right? So we said, okay, we might as well go for the 8.5 liters jug. But remember that they make use of the same cartridge. I will put the picture of the cartridge. The same cartridge. That cartridge can only filter 150 liters of water before you change it. So we bought that in mind. I'm like, should we go for? So we went to Sainsbury's. There is what is this store again in Sainsbury's? What is this store? If I remember, I'll put it. I've forgotten this. There's a store in Sainsbury's where you can buy electronics and other household items. So we went there. At point of purchase, we checked 8.5 liters, 2.5 liters jug. The main cocoa of the jug, the main function of the jug is to filter water, right? So we can as well go for the 2.4 liters since the cartridge, they are the same cartridge, and the same cartridge for the 8.5 liters and 2.4 liters jug will filter 150 liters of water. So the difference is the jug container. When we got there, we saw the price for 8.5 liters. I will put the price on the screen, and then we saw the price for 2.4 liters jug. We're like, oh, at this point we're trying to save costs, so we went for 2.4 liters because the cartridge does the same thing. The same 150 liters of water it has to filter before you have to change it again. So what is the need of buying 8.4 liters? At that point, it was not making economic sense for me to buy 8.5 liters Brita jug and then the 2.4 liters for 19 pounds or so. I'm going to put the price on the screen so you see. So we're like, well, let's go for 2.4 liters. I ordered some items on Temu. And then because we're approaching few even winter is already around the corner, so, and it's becoming cold. Oh wow, I love this. I love these trousers. I got that for my daughter. This girl is, she's growing tall. My baby is 3 years old. She's just 3 years, and this trouser is her size, and this trouser is for 5 years. When I'm buying clothes for my daughter, I always do 2 years ahead. 2 years. I size up because one, they are growing. Two, she's a big girl. Like, she's bigger than her age. She's size 120. If you can see it, I don't know whether it's focusing. It's not focusing. Size 120. My God, and I love it. It's thick. Very good for this weather. Wow, this is a good buy. And next item. Oh, I got some pair of socks. A little bit thick, but not thick for the winter. It can pass for autumn. Okay, I love these socks. Then for my madam. Okay, this should be a size 2. This is how I measure a size. But the trouser length goes under my armpit with my hand like this. Can you guys see? Then I know that it's a size. It's a length size. So this is her size. And it's thick. It's thick. Then I got, let me see, what is this? I sized up for this. This is 6 to 7. This is 6 to 7. Wow, it's long. I will just keep it and do not size me. I'll just keep it for when she. And I love this material. Maybe I will buy the smaller size. This is what I've been looking for since. This one is, it's too big for her. What is this? Okay, Ziploc. Oh, this one do for me. What will this one do? Raincoat. Raincoat. This is the raincoat. Hey, I sized up for this raincoat too. I sized up because this girl is growing tall. I hope it's going to be a size. I hope it's going to be a size because I don't know. I don't know. I've already bought Christmas pajamas for my daughter like this, so by Christmas time she will put it on. This is a perfect size. I searched for adult one and no see. Let me just buy my daughter's one because last year I wasn't able to buy this. But this year I'm prepared. 2 months, 3 months before Christmas, I've already bought a Christmas jumpers. Like father, like daughter. So happy I got it this year because last year I wasn't able to get it. This is another thing. I don't know what this is. Oh, school bag. School bag. I've been borrowing my daughter's school bag. So I said no. Let me just get my own. I have, but that school bag is very big. This is how the school bag is. It's a travel bag, foldable. You can fold it. So you can see I'm opening it. You open it when you don't want to use it. Eto, how is this bag gone, sir? Oh, see what they did, guys. You see, this is also in the bag. You can fold it into. Did you guys see how I opened it? I was thinking I'm going to bring it entirely out of this, but no, it is attached to it. Okay. We go and package it. See the packaging. This is okay. The bag is okay. I got water bottle. It's a microwave cover, so whenever I want to microwave my food, it always spills. This is how it looks like. Okay, let me come closer. This is how it looks like, and it's good. And then I got myself a raincoat. I got this with face. I'm like, okay, let me just buy it and try it. So many bodies, they look like tarpaulin. It's not strong. It's easily damaged. And so let me just buy and try. 1 pound something. It's less than 2 pounds. And seriously, it's very light. This thing can tear. The reviews were not lying. This thing can tear. It can tear. Let me see what thing. I just bought it in case. Just have it in my bag. If rain falls, I'll just bring it out of where. It has cover, so it doesn't poke somebody. It's lovely. It's lovely. It's lovely. And then I got myself mouse. The last but not the least. The last but not the least, before we continue our unboxing video, our Brita jug unboxing video. Oh, wow, 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 wow. This is lovely. This is lovely. Guys, can you see? This is lovely. Good for the winter. Oh, okay. Since I'm the one that bought this set of clothing, I know what to buy next whenever I want to order. Because sometimes my husband will just order clothes for my daughter, for our daughter. But this one, or sometimes I will use his account to order. But this time around, I use my account to order, my Temu account to order. So I know what to order. I was skeptical about this, but this is thick. This is thick. That's all. That's all. So guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna unbox my Brita and show you how to assemble the Brita jug. Drum roll. Behold the Brita water filter jug. Now let's unbox. Inside the box, we've got the jug itself, the lid with a flip top open, and of course, the filter cartridge, the star of the show. It's simple and straightforward, nothing complicated. Now, before the first use, you need to wash all the parts, except the filter. You wash with warm, soapy water. This keeps everything clean and safe for drinking. After washing, rinse well. Rinse it very well so that you don't have soap water or soap ladder on the jug or inside the jug. You rinse it very well with cold water. Then after rinsing, you dry the jug, or you can face it head down so that the water can drain out and dry by itself. Whichever method is fine and hygienic. Before fixing the filter into the jug, you have to prepare it. You don't just drop it straight from the pack. No. The jug comes with a manual that will guide you on every step that you need to take to prepare the jug fit for use. So, to prepare the cartridge, you first fill the jug up with water. After you fill it up with water, then you immerse the cartridge into the water, just like I'm doing, and then you give it a shake. This helps remove the trapped air bubbles. You give it a shake. It removes the trapped air bubbles. It loosens the carbon particles in the cartridge. After you've done that, you set the cartridge aside, pour out the water from the jug, and then you fix all the parts of the jug together, just as I'm doing it. You discard any water, you put the inner jug inside. After fixing or fitting the inner jug inside the bigger jug, then you put in the cartridge. Make sure it's sitting very well. You can see it's sitting very well. Then you fill it with water again. I have filled the jug with water and you can see it's filtering already. But here's a trick. You should discard the first 2 fills of water. That's to flush out any carbon dust from the new filter. Once you've done that, your Brita jug is officially ready to serve you fresh, clean water every day. Just make sure you discard the first 2 fills of water. And that's it. My Brita 2.4 liter water jug all set and ready to go. From almost buying 8.5 liters to happily settling for the 2.4 liters. This was definitely a funny buy but a smart choice. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.